Welcome back to Bike Zone, the place where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today we're exploring one of the most anticipated bikes of 2025, the Jawa 42 Bobber. Combining vintage charm with modern engineering, this motorcycle is set to capture the hearts of enthusiasts everywhere. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber so special. Design and aesthetic. The Jawa 42 Bobber's design is a perfect fusion of retro aesthetics and contemporary elements. The first thing that catches the eye is its classic bobber styling, with minimalist lines, solo seats, and a distinctive low-slung profile. The bike retains the iconic Jawa look, yet adds a modern touch with sharper edges and a more aggressive stance. The frame has been reworked for a sleek and streamlined appearance, while the matte finishes and premium paint options elevate the bike's appeal. Notably, the 42 Bobber features a unique round headlamp, reminiscent of the brand's legacy, while modern LED lighting adds both efficiency and style. The rear fender, another signature Bobber feature, is clean and minimal, allowing the rear wheel to stand out. The overall result is a bike that looks timeless, yet undeniably fresh. Engine and performance. Underneath the beautiful exterior, the 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber is powered by a 293cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine. It delivers a respectable 27.3 horsepower, providing a smooth yet punchy ride. While the power output may not be as high as some of the bigger cruisers, the 42 Bobber excels in its torque delivery, making it perfect for city riding and occasional highway stretches. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, allowing for smooth shifting and enhanced ride comfort. With a refined exhaust note, the bike offers an engaging riding experience without overwhelming the rider with unnecessary vibrations. Whether you're cruising around town or taking it for a longer ride, the Jawa 42 Bobber offers a great balance between performance and ease of handling. Comfort and rideability. When it comes to comfort, the 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber doesn't disappoint. The solo seat design is built for style, but it's also well padded, providing good comfort for shorter and mid-range rides. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers at the rear, ensuring that bumps and rough roads are absorbed without sacrificing too much of the bike's agility. Despite its classic bobber stance, the Jawa 42 Bobber offers relatively comfortable ergonomics for riders of various sizes. The handlebar position is slightly raised and falls into a neutral zone, promoting a relaxed yet responsive riding posture. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newbie, the bike's lightweight and manageable size make it a joy to maneuver in both tight urban traffic and open roads. Technology and features. While the 42 Bobber's design draws inspiration from the past, it doesn't fall behind when it comes to modern technology. The bike comes with a fully digital instrument cluster that displays speed, fuel levels, gear position, and more. The new design makes it easy to access key data at a glance while still complementing the vintage aesthetic. The 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber also features advanced braking technology with a dual-channel ABS system for added safety. This ensures better stopping power, especially in challenging conditions, enhancing the overall riding experience. Additionally, the bike comes equipped with LED lighting, ensuring better visibility and longevity compared to traditional bulbs. Pricing and availability. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber offers an attractive package. While the exact price may vary depending on your region, it's expected to be competitively priced, making it a great option for riders looking for a stylish, fun bike without breaking the bank. The bike is expected to be available globally, with availability starting in select markets in the early months of 2025. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber stands as a testament to the brand's legacy while embracing modern technology and design trends. With its timeless bobber styling, engaging performance, and a comfortable ride, it's clear that this bike is ready to captivate a wide audience. Whether you're a vintage enthusiast or someone looking for a fresh and exciting motorcycle, the Jawa 42 Bobber offers a compelling package that combines the best of both worlds. Thanks for tuning into Bike Zone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things motorcycles. See you next time.